Welcome. If you're serious about starting a profitable business, you've come to the right place. Today, we're showcasing 11 must-have machines that are not only in high demand, but also affordable and easy to use. These machines can be the cornerstone of your startup and help you grow your business rapidly. Remember, all the links to these machines are in the description below. So, let's get started. Number 1. All-in-one printer. At the top of our list is the all-in-one printer. In the fast-paced business world, efficiency is key, and this machine does it all: printing, copying, scanning, and faxing. It's an essential tool for any business looking to maintain a professional workflow. Whether you're running a small office, a home business, or even a larger enterprise, this printer streamlines your operations, saving you time and money. Its versatility makes it a top choice for businesses across the country. Number 2. Label printer. Next up is the label printer, a crucial machine for businesses that need to stay organized. This compact device produces high-quality labels quickly and efficiently, making it perfect for retail, warehousing, or home-based businesses. If you're in retail, this printer is essential for pricing and inventory management. For home businesses, it's a great way to add a professional touch to your products and shipping. Number 3. Paper folding machine. Folding documents by hand is a thing of the past with the paper folding machine. This machine is perfect for businesses that handle large volumes of paperwork, automating the folding process and saving you hours of manual labor. Ideal for mailrooms, print shops, and offices, this machine speeds up the preparation of newsletters, invoices, and promotional materials, allowing you to focus on more critical tasks. Number 4. Ice maker. For those in the beverage or hospitality industry, the ice maker is an absolute necessity. This machine produces large quantities of ice quickly, ensuring you always have enough to meet customer demand. Perfect for bars, restaurants, and cafes. This ice maker helps you keep up with high customer traffic, especially during peak hours. It's a critical investment for any business in the food and beverage sector. Are these machines catching your eye? If you're finding these ideas helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more business tools and tips. We've got even more exciting machines coming up, so keep watching. Number 5. Screen printing machine. Custom apparel is a booming industry, and the screen printing machine is your gateway to success. This machine allows you to print your own designs on t-shirts, hoodies, and other items, making it perfect for launching a clothing line. From local events and school spirit with you starting your own brand, this machine offers endless possibilities for creative entrepreneurs. The custom clothing market continues to grow, and this machine positions you perfectly to take advantage of that demand. Number 6. Oil press machine. Health-conscious consumers are always on the lookout for fresh, organic products, and the oil press machine lets you deliver just that. Extract oil from various seeds like peanuts and sesame to create high-quality cooking oils. With this machine, you can start a small-scale oil production business. You could sell your oils at local markets, online, or even to specialty stores. The demand for healthy, homemade products is higher than ever, making this a great business opportunity. Number 7. Meat slicer. In the food industry, precision is everything, and the meat slicer delivers just that. Whether you're slicing meat, cheese, or bread, this machine ensures consistent, even slices every time. Perfect for delis, catering businesses, and small restaurants. This slicer allows you to offer high-quality products to your customers. Consistency is key in food preparation, and this machine helps you achieve it with ease. Number 8. Rolled ice cream maker. Rolled ice cream is more than just a dessert, it's an experience. The rolled ice cream maker allows you to create this trendy treat, which is sure to draw crowds and keep customers coming back for more. Great for dessert shops, food trucks, or cafes. This machine lets you stand out in the crowded dessert market. The interactive nature of rolled ice cream makes it a hit on social media, bringing even more customers to your door. Number 9. Plastic card printer. Whether you needed cards, membership cards, or custom badges, the plastic card printer has you covered. This machine produces professional-grade cards that add a polished touch to any business. This printer is perfect for gyms, clubs, or any business that needs to issue custom cards. It's also a great tool for event management companies that require passes or badges for large gatherings. Number 10. Heat press machine. The heat press machine is a game changer for anyone in the custom apparel business. It's perfect for transferring designs onto t-shirts, bags, and other fabric items. allowing you to create personalized products with ease. Whether you're making personalized gifts, promotional items, or running a print-on-demand business, this machine offers endless opportunities. It's a versatile tool that can help you tap into the booming market for customized products. Number 11. Paper Cutter. Finally, the paper cutter is an indispensable tool for any business that deals with large volumes of paper. This machine ensures precise cuts, making it perfect for creating professional-looking documents, flyers, and more. This machine is ideal for print shops, schools, and offices where high-quality, uniform paper cutting is a necessity. It speeds up production, helping you deliver consistent results every time. These 11 machines are in high demand for a reason. They're powerful tools that can help you launch and grow your business. From office essentials to food industry favorites, these machines are designed to make your work easier and more profitable. Don't forget, all the links to these machines are in the description below, so be sure to check them out. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest business tools and tips. We'll see you in the next video.